If you want to enable or disable tilt shift on a POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the camera. Once you open the camera, you can, for example, swipe down on the camera preview, or we need to tap on this arrow at the top. And then here we have tilt shift. If it's enabled, then you should be able to choose one of two modes, which can be switched over here at the top. We have this circle, which can be also moved around if you want to. I'm not sure if we can zoom in, we cannot actually, so we are stuck with this one. But we also have this line that can also be adjusted. So for example, we can rotate it, and we can also extend it or make it smaller. And of course, the area that is inside is the area that is not blurred. Everything else outside is actually blurred. And that's pretty much it. If you want to disable this option, then we need to go back to these camera options and simply tap on tilt shift again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.